Have you ever eaten peanuts which tasted funny from time to time? Well, I did, and today you will learn the cause, because I investigated that and found this pupa of a moth inside. It was already dead, because see that fungus? This is a sign of a death. So I cleaned it off, and here how it looks afterwards, like an intergalactic traveler in his time capsule, or rather Egyptian mummy. Our next dweller will be the tiny dot you often see hovering above the fruits. This is a famous guinea pig from scientific labs, commonly known as a fruit fly. Here is another moving dot. I always wondered what this thing, so I finally have the opportunity to find out. Thanks to my entomology friends, we have an exact scientific name of this bug. Notice that middle eye on top of his head. It calls ocelli, a simple light detecting organ used as a movement detector. This is a crab spider, showing his ass to you. Who would have thought that this dancer also lives near me? I have no idea how this relatively large bug ended up in my urban kitchen, but here we go. A male lesser stag beetle, or Dorcus parallelipipedus speaking scientifically. Amazing creature. Looks like an advanced military unit developed by Boston Dynamics. Look at those joints. An engineering perfection. You have those neighbors too. Even if you don't see them, they are there, crawling with naked butts, eating your food or you. That's it for now. Please consider supporting the channel on Patreon. See you in the next video, and please subscribe.